This day, we make our way to the North Terminal in Medellin, Colombia in order to find ourselves to El Peñón de Guatape. Guatape is a small town municipality in the region of Antioquia. You can find it east of Medellin, and it's a very popular tourist attraction. Okay. All good? Oh. See. Okay, we are here and trying to figure out where to go. Oh, okay. The first two I go. Alice. Okay. 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 Okay.
El cajero es arriba.
Oh, cajero lo sé, okay.
¿Vamos?
Sí, sí, pero compramos ahora en cajero.
Sí, 8, 292, 468. Ya estoy en la...
¿Dónde esperamos?
Allá.
Okay. Gracias. Okay.
Está lloviendo.
Wow. That's the rock, guys. Talking about my camera, don't forget that links are in the description below. You can purchase yourself one of your Insta360 module cameras and the bullet time attachment. And I think we're here. We did a lot of work just to climb up here, and now it's time to climb the mountain or the rock. Man, I gotta do something about my lung strength. I'm almost tired. You just started.
Capro.
Sí. ¿Te gusta?
Sí.
This is the 360. I've seen this one being advertised. Do you like it?
Heck yeah. This thing has been so helpful, man. I'm doing all my vlogs and stuff with it. Majority of the things I can do that I never thought I could do. Amazing, bro.
Are you remote controlling it from your phone, or do you have to tap it every time you want to turn it on?
I can tap it, I can control it with my phone, or I can control it with its base.
Yeah, I tried to order some, but they were sold out like recently. All the influencers on YouTube have been talking about it, so they're all sold
So,
out.
of course, I'm an influencer too, so I had to pick one up.
Is it on YouTube, or what do you run?
YouTube. Actually,
Let me get your information.
here you go. This is me.
Is it only YouTube, or you do Instagram, Twitter?
Instagram, Facebook, all platforms usually.
In your state.
That's me.
That's awesome. I love it.
What's your name?
My name's Gary.
Gary Nate.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. YouTube or Instagram, you can message me there as well. But
In your
YouTube,
state?
yes, me. So look at that, man. You got the clouds just bedding over the mountains, man. I just find that very fantastic. It's a magnificent sight to see something like that in this caliber. As you just look at nature and like me being Christian, it's like, yo, look at God's creation and look at this. This is like uncanny, bro. Like such a place like this exists, man. And I don't know if you can see it, but I can. It's raining over there. It probably may not be as sharp over here, especially from the distance, but I can tell it's raining over there. And the clouds are coming this way.
restaurante es allí, la fogata.
Ah, terminal
¿Lo
acá.
agarremos ahí o qué?
¿Dónde usted nos dijo el restaurante?
Allí.
¿Es?
Ya almuerzan y compran tiquetico.
Ok.
¿El parque queda muy lejos o cuál es el parque?
¿El qué?
¿El parque?
El parque de algo ahí.
Ah, ok.
Ahí
Ah,
está toda la mano.
ok. Ay, tan bello. Muchas gracias.
Y ahí ya.
Muchas gracias.
Ok. 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 Gracias.
El parque, la iglesia, allá.
I'm such a fat kid. Yo, I literally missed the bus. Because I seen somebody walking with this and I said, yo, where'd you get that? And he took me to the spot over here where we're getting some of the ice cream, son. I can't help myself. This is why I need to go on a diet. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're doing. Oh, sí, sí, sí. Sí. Sí.
Ay, sí, dame chocolate.
Gracias. ¿Cuántos? Okay. Uy, We'll eat this up. ¿Cómo está Alvaro?
Está como nosotros los colombianos, rico, delicioso.
Rico.
Delicioso.
But yeah, let me see what this is all about though. Let's see. That's a different breed of chocolate. Even though I seen them pour Hershey syrup, it's different.